we had to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So the first thing we are going to do is write out the quadratic formula. So our unknown is x. So we have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So having written down the formula, the next thing we want to do is write out the values of each of these variables. So a here is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 8. And C is this value, which is plus 15. Then we can go ahead to make our substitution. So now we say x equals to minus 8 plus or minus the square root of minus 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15 over 2 times 1. From here, x now becomes 8 because minus times minus is a plus or minus square root of minus 8 all squared will be minus 8 times minus 8, which is 64. Then minus 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 15 is 60. Over 2 times 1 is 2. Then we can go and say x now will be 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 over 2. 64 minus 60 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So 8 plus or minus 2 over 2. The next thing we have to do is to split this value into 2. So x will be 8 minus 2. We take the negative part over 2, or 8 plus 2 over 2. 8 minus 2 over 2, that will be 6 over 2, or 10 over 2. So x will be equals to 3. 6 over 2 is 3, or 10 over 2, which is 5. And that is actually how you use the quadratic formula to solve any type of quadratic equation. I hope you've learned a few things in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.